Hello and welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with Josh. We are going to unbox my second round of Basic Man. Let's go.
Josh, he's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things.
As you probably remember, I was not a huge fan of Basic Man. I did order 3 months at a time, so this is the second round of it. I was not a big fan of the shirt last time. I do like the socks. I wear the socks a lot. They're really comfortable, they're really fun, but not worth the $20 purchase. And the underwear's fine, it's underwear, but it's a cool hip design right over here. You know your hip when you use the word hip. Let's open it up. Get to see my brute strength here. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh, this is interesting. Oh no, I thought this was the design, but it's just the packaging on top of the shirt. I don't have anything in this color. I don't know that it's gonna look too good on me. Maybe we'll try it on. Yeah, we might as well try it on. That's the shirt. Now, oh, these socks are nice. Again, the socks have been my favorite part of it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this, I'll zoom in, but they have little feet on them. I like the color green, I love this color green. It's the same as my Woven shirt. Woven. It's Woven. Again, I can't pronounce the name of any of these companies. Basic Man at least is easy enough. There's a ramen video upcoming and I guarantee I've pronounced all the companies wrong. And then we have another just pair of undies. So we'll try on the shirt. I won't put you through watching me try on underwear again. Here's the underwear, and it's oh, this is an interesting texture. Actually, there's kind of like, you know how you have on compression shorts and workout shorts. There's this kind of material. I'm doing a bad job explaining it, but you see it, so I can just shut up. Yeah, it's the basics. It's what you would expect from Basic Man. I'm gonna try on the shirt. I really like the socks and I like the underwear is kind of cool, but again, I don't think it's worth $20. Let's try on that shirt. This is the shirt. I have to admit, I've been bad-mouthing Basic Man this whole video so far. I really didn't like what I got last month, but I've loved everything this month. I think the shirt is super comfortable. It's so soft. You see me also, this is another thing. I totally analyze myself. You see me doing this in like every single video. So I think the one consistent image is me rubbing soft things on my face. But I don't have shirts this color. I like it. It's really soft. It's a really nice, much thicker material than the one I got last month, which is a really thin, flimsy, oversized shirt. This one is nice fitted. These socks are really cool. I love the design. And the underwear is a different type of underwear than I got last month. There's a different style of everything from the last month. So it was cool that month to month they vary it up. So maybe I just got a bad batch, or just not even a bad batch, but a batch that I don't particularly like. So Basic Man has one more month. I'm still on the fence. I hated last month and I really liked this month. So we'll see about next month and I'll give you a final verdict then. Thanks for watching this episode of Unboxing with Josh. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time.